This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Begin by assembling measured ingredients: 250 ml chilled heavy cream, 30 g granulated sugar, and 3 g Finowhip powder. Place a metal mixing bowl and beaters in the refrigerator or freezer for 10 minutes to lower temperature and improve volume. Weigh sugar and Finowhip on a kitchen scale for accuracy. Do not eyeball. Keep cream at fridge temperature, ideally below 8°C, and avoid room-warm cream which will not whip properly. Set a timer and have a spatula ready for folding and scraping during the process. Start by combining the 30 g sugar and 3 g Finowhip powder in a small bowl and whisking gently to break up lumps and ensure even distribution. Pour a small portion, about 50 ml, of the chilled cream into the sugar stabilizer mix and whisk for 20-30 seconds to hydrate the powder and prevent clumps. Once smooth, pour the hydrated mix back into the remaining 200 ml cream and stir gently to incorporate evenly. Hydrating first yields a smoother texture and prevents graininess in the final whipped cream. With chilled bowl and beaters, whip the combined cream and hydrated Finowhip on medium-high speed. Watch for soft peaks at about 2-3 minutes. Stop when peaks hold, but still bend at the tip for the lightest texture. If you need firmer peaks, continue in 10-15 second bursts to avoid overwhipping. Transfer the finished cream into a clean container, cover, and refrigerate at 4°C for at least 1 hour to set. Use within 48 hours and re-whip briefly if slight separation appears before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.